Mega big shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and once again we will be doing our very favorite things to do, which is unboxing. So I ordered this one, guys, and I ordered this one online again in Temu. Temu bigyan naman. So after 8 days it arrives. So let's do the unboxing. Let's check if this one is the same doon sa in-order natin, reality versus online. Let's go. Excited na rin ako, guys. Okay, first things first is pair of socks. Okay, so the pair of socks are, so this one, this is less price, guys, and oh my god, see, a lot of socks. One, two, three, four, five. This is 5 pairs of sock. 5 pairs. 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other color is another 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another pair of different colors. The other one is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pairs each. And the other one here is also another color. So 5 also. Oh my god. This is like first Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh my god. And then this one, another pair. But that's the one thing. Second is this one. I don't know if this one is okay. Let me check if this will fit us, guys. Oh, really? So this is how. Pants. Okay, hold on a sec. So this is the one. Okay, I love it. So reality in this version, it's finest. And this one, and this is the upper. Okay, red and black. And the last one is this one, the pants. So the pants is very nice, very loose. So this is the very loose pants, see? And these are all the things that I ordered.